Beetroot supplements are popular for heart, energy, and endurance support, and Valora Beetroot Powder promises to boost nitric oxide, support blood flow, and improve energy. But the real question is, does it actually work? Let's break it down. So Valora's beetroot product is a pure beetroot powder capsule formula marketed for circulation, heart health, and stamina, claiming users can feel more energy in days and improve blood pressure or endurance in a few weeks with consistent use, and even offering a money-back guarantee. Here's what research says about beetroot powder in general. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide, helping relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, effects linked to improved cardiovascular health and endurance in studies. However, research also shows that beetroot powder's benefits vary widely between products and doses, and its effects aren't as dramatic or consistent as Miracle Fix claims, and in some cases, beet juice performs better due to higher nitrate levels. Many users find beetroot powder helps with mild endurance and energy when paired with healthy habits like exercise and nutrition, but experiences vary. Some feel noticeable differences, others see little change. Reddit users report mixed results when adding beetroot supplements to health routines. The bottom line, Valora beetroot powder can support circulation and energy modestly in 2026, especially as part of a healthy lifestyle, but it's not a guaranteed or dramatic quick fix. Pair it with diet and exercise for best outcomes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.